Alright guys, check this out. This is Hardbite. This was at Costco. Check this out here. Mango and habanero pepper. So I don't know how spicy this is, but we're gonna do a quick taste test. And check this out. That's the ingredients. So the habanero is not, it's middle of the road on the ingredient list. So this could be really spicy. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. Alright, so here it is. There's the chip. Okay, let's do a quick taste test. I'm preparing myself. I don't really eat spicy food, so. Ooh, it's got some heat. Ooh. Is it super spicy? If you leave it in your mouth for a long time, it could be really spicy. It's got some heat. I would say, yeah, it's definitely got some heat. I would say like maybe after like 5 chips, your mouth will probably start burning. So definitely check it out, guys, if you're into spicy food. But yeah, it has good flavor. Otherwise, I don't taste the mango. It has a sweetness to it, but I don't really taste the mango. All right, stay tuned for more videos.